Klavya. My darling Namo is here. My childhood friend Vaishali is there. And I can see my in-laws, Hiro Tejuja and Aarti Tejuja. I can see Divya. Hi Divi, how are you? I hope I can be heard. And I want to acknowledge District Governor Harjit Singh Talwar. How are you doing, sir?
Friends, nice of you.
How are you keeping?
I just finished my College of Governors meeting and I
realized.
Yeah.
So good to see you, DG. So good to see you, and pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. So we have the AG and we have the DG. We have everyone who was there, whoever's been there with me always in the assemblies from the installation. Everyone's already here. So with that, I just want to say a few words. It's been an amazing, amazing year. I became president-elect when Anjal was the president. 2018 July was the time when Anjal became the president. I became president-elect, and I didn't know what it was till I became started having my first IBODs. That's when we had the 6 IBODs followed by the 12 board meetings. It was a learning experience all through, and what a year it's been. It's been no less than a movie for me. I have only learned from Rotary. And like I remember Gaurav telling me, Gaurav Sathe, my elder brother in the club, and my father telling me, it's like a 1-year MBA. But I came to know what field of MBA it is. It is MBA in human management, in people management, time management, everything. And I have to say, I learned negotiation, I learned planning, I learned finance, I learned patience, I learned anger management, I learned how to become more decisive. It's really been a true management course. So my journey starts a little more than being the president. When Gaurav became the president in the charter year, I was told by Suketu I'll be vice president. That's how the discussion had happened. I had no idea what I'm getting into. I had no idea that becoming a vice president means becoming president-elect, becoming president, going through the entire journey, going up the ladder, as they call it in the hierarchy of Rotary and in life. And, I came across all kinds of challenges, all kinds of incidences and things to deal with. So, in the first year, I was also the joint medical director. Gaurav will remember that. So I thought, this is easy. I can do this. I can hold a medical project. I can do this. But how do you implement a project? How do you implement a project? How do you make it go on? It's not really that easy. But for me, I think if I have to say one thing, Rotary is a combination of friendship. For me, it's always been friendship. I have made friends like family. I wouldn't have met someone like Dhwani, someone like Karan, someone like Abhay. I would have never met these guys. These guys are now a part of my life. I don't think the day goes without speaking to them. Talking of Jalpa, I've spoken to Jalpa in the morning, 7 a.m., right? Night 1 a.m. She has been deciding all the meetings 4 months in advance. She's actually held our hand and taken us forth. I have an elder brother in the club. I have 2 actually. One is Vishal Jain, Vicky, and Gaurav Sathe. They've actually taught me everything. They've made me understand how to go about it. I have called Gaurav for the most smallest decisions on what to do. How do I do this? How do I speak to this senior? How do I make a phone call to the PDG? Things like that. And with life, we'll learn that there's so much more we can do. But Rotary truly is, making your extended family. And me being only a medico, knowing only medicine, I learned I have so much more to do in life, so much more I can offer. I have so much more value to my time. And I think without Rotary right now, I would have been so bored. And I'm actually a little worried. Jalpal, understand this. After the 30th of June, I really won't know what to do. There'll be a big vacuum. Because every morning and every day, there was a 2 to 4 hour discussion or throughout the day on WhatsApp and meetings on what project to do, what meeting to hold, what do I do, what venue. Some member is having some grievance, someone's unhappy, somebody has some question, how do I answer that? I would hear from my secretary that this member said this member said that, and how do we reply back? How do we make sure the thing is going together? So, it's been an excellent journey of so many projects, so many things. I'll come to the details, but before that, I have a short video which has been made by Priyanka Sathe. Where's Priya? Yeah, I can see Priya. So I just want to share that video. Allow me to share my screen, please.
You are host.
Yeah. Volume up, guys. You can increase your volume.
Full hai.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी, सूरज की बाहों
Can't see anything on the screen.
Okay, there's a lag. You need to.
किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
Ankesh, we can't see.
Okay.
जो ही बदली की ताले
Aman,
हैं,
problem up. You have to stop and start it again.
Okay.
Stop screen sharing and come in again.
Yeah. Correct.
Karan, you're unmuted. So what right now? What can you see, Karan?
We can only see a black
Yeah, I
screen
can-
thing.
Karan?
No, I can't see anything right now. It's a black screen.
Ankesh, stop sharing screen and then start again. Then it will come.
Ankesh, also maybe play the low res version. If you have low Wi-Fi, it may be easier.
सूरज की बाहों में
Then Ankesh, you'll have to stop sharing screen first.
किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी, सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
Just stop sharing.
You can see the screen now.
Exit screen sharing.
Should I do that? Yeah.
Okay,
Now
now.
just now share again.
Now?
What will happen?
Now I'll share it again.
Yes.
Look at Namo's babies.
Yes.
Yeah, now we can see.
Now it will play. Yeah.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी, सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
जो करना है करो. बड़े से.
बदली की ताले हैं, यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, बातें हमें जिंदगी क्यों न करे कोई.
Okay, can you mail it to me? I'll play it from there. Yeah. We will have to then allow sharing. Ankesh, we'll just send it to ourselves, and whenever you want, we'll play it from here. Maybe there's a
Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hey, even Gaurav has the same video. Let Gaurav play it. Na?
Yeah, Gaurav just logging in.
To get it on this PC, my suggestion is let's proceed. I'm just getting it on this PC.
Yeah, otherwise you mail it to me.
Then we can
also play.
proceed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ankesh, please continue, Ankesh.
Can anyone hear me?
We can hear you, but your screen is frozen.
Can anyone hear me speak?
Yeah, we can hear you, Ankesh.
Oh, yeah.
Ankesh? Yeah, I think Ankesh has dropped from
Told
the...
him to exit the meeting and come back.
Yeah, Gaurav, just do one thing now. Can you play it?
Download. I didn't have it on this PC. Give me like literally 5 minutes.
Okay, if you don't have it on this.
Just setting it up, yeah, not on this PC. Give me 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Let's try the timer actually.
Yeah.
Ankesh, may I suggest that we move ahead till then? Is Ankesh also off? I can't see him.
Yeah, Namo, you want to make some announcements till then, and then the secretarial ones.
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, obviously I don't have the final attendance list, but in the month of June, we've just recently had Pranav and Rachna Agarwal have their anniversary, celebrate their anniversary along with Vikram and Juhi. This was on 18th of June. And on 26th June, guys, there's a huge party at Maya Building in Khar. We have Abhay Bhatia, our PE, celebrating his birthday. So everyone, see you on 26th at Maya Building. Okay, I'll text you.
Ready,
Hi guys. Sorry everyone, I'm back. Sorry everyone, AG, DG, everybody. So what we'll do is now, I can request Priyanka Sathi to share a screen if possible.
Yeah, she's setting it up.
While doing it, Ankesh, I'm just downloading on this PC. Can we proceed with the rest of the stuff and close with the video? That would be better. Are you okay with that?
Okay, fine. No other option. I mean, few more challenges in this Zoom. Yeah.
That's what we learn, right?
Yeah. That's what we like doing, don't we? Yeah. So Abhay, if you can mute all, if you can.
Yeah, your host Ankesh.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, all of you will know the term began on 1st July. On 11th of June, I got installed by the district governor, Ajit Singh Talwar. He's right here in front of me. So, the preparation began in January with the IBODs and the board meeting and the selection and everything and the selection of the board. So once you all see the video, you all will come to know what I actually meant. That's why the video was to be placed at this particular point. My luck, it didn't open it. It's okay. So basically the year began on, it began how it begins on the 1st of July. So every second person who I met, everyone who I met, from my family members to my father's club members in RCBA to the district, and they know I'm a doctor, I'm a gynecologist. Everyone had one question: how are you going to manage the year? How are you going to do it? How are you going to manage the responsibilities? How are you going to, have deliveries? How will you make it to projects? And already I had the very high precedent set by Gaurav and Anjal. So things weren't easy. And, you have to really become a little numb when you're working in a group and a team, in a club, when you have people having their own opinions. It's a mixed bag. So planning the year was interesting. So July 1st, the year began. We had mission with Bombay Airport and excellent support by Biren Parekh and his entire club, and went off very well. And, it was the dream start I could get. On the 6th of July, Almitra had, being the soldier she is, we had the entire Baghoshi medical camp and the fellowship, and thanks to her, she's right here, I can see her. So I had a new surprise after that. 2 weeks into my president term, I came to know my wife is pregnant. So that was something quite interesting, and I so along with the thing of managing my work and deliveries and surgeries and Rotary, I had my wife's pregnancy. But I must share with you, this was the happiest news of my life till date. I have never had such better news, and it's been the best times I've had. And at the same time, because my own wife is pregnant, it became a little worrisome for me. Because being a gynac, you're aware of all the things that could go wrong possibly. But God is kind, everything was well. She's a strong woman herself, and her pregnancy also was not the easiest for her, but it was absolutely fine. And now we have a son, Harshvardhan. I'm sure most of you will have met him. I know most of you will have come home and met him. So that was the best thing. Then the year went on. We had very good, interesting speaker meetings. We had speaker meetings on relations, mental health, past life regression. We had KYCs. We had assemblies with the assistant governor in attendance. But the highlight was Deepak Jumani, the sexologist. Having a fellow Sindhi coming in a fellow Sindhi coming in and talking about sexology and with his attire and his shoes, and it was very, very interesting. And I've most of you all know this. I've done a 6-month diploma in sexology, so I know the nitty-gritties of the subject. But no one is as flamboyant as Deepak Jubani. So having a lecture by Deepak Jubani and his PPT in his fancy style also was something which was quite interesting. But things are okay. We have to think. So the year started off in full attendance and everything was great. We had our trips to Palghar. I think Namrata and Jaya dragged me to Palghar every other weekend. Sukitu came with us a couple of times. He's always been there with us. Even now, if I give Sukitu a call at 3 a.m., he will come to my rescue. He's my buddy in Rotary. He knows that. He can't deny that. So along with that, we had basically the district grant project in my mind. So everybody was very keen. The assistant governor also guided me. You have to go for a district grant. Go for a global grant. So I was like, global grant nahi karenge. Sir, we'll do one. Can you mute? Where someone should be muted. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Somebody watching TV. It's okay. It's okay. So basically, then we had a district grant project in mind, and then I had to understand the nitty-gritties. I had to meet Rotarian Subodh Bora. Being my father's old friend and a family friend, it wasn't very simple with Subodh Bora because he's a perfectionist, just like our DG, our AG. They are quite particular guys. You can't slip them through with a couple of loose papers. You can't do that. So then I met Subodh Bora. He made me fill the form twice. I remember going to his office back and forth, finishing 2 patients, going back to his office, going back to work, again giving me a call. This is missing, that is missing. So Subodh Bora also was interesting. And finally, yesterday, we shared the good news. We got our district grant of $3,000 US. And what I've been told, guys, we are one of the first clubs to get our payment. DG is in attendance over here. So we've really worked hard. And I think for a third year on the club and me being in the year I had, I think we managed to complete the entire file or folder if something calls it complete. Then the 2 women I want to talk about now is Namrata Shah and Jaya Jain. Now, all of you all have seen me in meetings. I've been putting on a smiling face, laughing, smiling. But no one has seen me as upset and mad as Jaya and Namrata. They have seen me at my worst behavior. You can ask them over drinks after the lockdown on how I can behave when I'm pissed off. I've seen Gaurav upset once and nobody in the club has seen him. But these 2 have seen me upset very, very often, and I can really lose it when things don't go as planned. But thanks to Rotary, now I know that when things don't go your way, that's the best thing that can happen. Because if they don't go your way, it's going in a better way. So I've happened to learn that. And anyways, this goes on. So we had a real Rotary year from, you can say from July to March. Everything was so good. Everything was fine. April, May and June, the 3 months have been what I call as the Zoom months. Things have changed. Now we are on Zoom meetings. We are, bound to attend the meetings. We've had dramatic attendances. I don't think on a regular assembly we'd have so many people. So I wanted to Vishal, the one good news is that he's going to have a fantastic attendance this year. Because people are bound to attend, people are home. Just थोड़ा विशाल timing का देख लो, सब आ जाएंगे. सब लोग बहुत बोर हैं entertainment के लिए. But this is the new normal now. We have to get used to it. And an RCMC and as a board we have gained so much. And despite having the lockdown, despite having everything, so many projects of what I had in mind. I wanted to open up a computer center, a vocational center with the assistant governor's help. I wanted to get the district governor with me in my car to Palghar for the check dam inauguration. There was so much I had in mind as a president. But this one woman is there called Jaya Jain. She doesn't stop. Lockdown or no lockdown, she made sure I work doubly hard. Now, Jaya Jain, I'll tell you how her mind works. Now, she doesn't stop at something which is mediocre. She wants to do only which is better and better. We have accomplished rupees 3.85 lakhs worth of COVID project work, food grains done over here. Additional to 3.85 lakhs, 50,000 for food grains we've given to Vagoshi, channeled via Almitra Timbadia. Not only that, we've had speaker meetings, we've had our board meetings, we've had club assemblies, we're having a shukriya. I don't think anything is left out to be done. I am so immensely proud, and I want to give a big thanks to the man missing on the screen, Abhay Bhatia. So Abhay Bhatia now holding his son. Hi, Arjun. Yeah. So now we happen to find out, learn Zoom thanks to Abhay Bhatia, and I don't think I would have done it even 1% what he's done. So thank you, Abhay, for that. I want to also raise one fact that Innerville Club of Mumbai Salset got dissolved in 2016-17. Because of the COVID project, because of the good work we did, we were able to get rupees 1.3 lakhs from Rotarian Aanchal Gupta, who was the last president of Innerville Club of Mumbai Salset. She gave us all our money, looking at the good work for COVID we've been doing. And it's so nice that in this entire year, including our fundraisers, our donors from the Rotary Club, donors from outside, we in our third year have done a fundraising of 8,68,500. I think this is quite fantastic for a person who didn't know what fundraising meant on July 1st. So I'm quite satisfied, and I think my parents should be happy. And they're in the meeting, they don't know the figure, but I'm sure they must have heard the figure now. Hi, Monica. So nice to see you, Monica. So things went on, and finally, as I mentioned already, I'll repeat myself. We completed our district grant project. So many of you all don't know this, but when the district grant project was first planned, the first 2 meetings of implementation, the cost was 25 lakhs. It was 25 lakhs, and I had almost decided to change the district grant topic. But again comes in Jaya Jain. She gives me a call. I'll tell you her words. Ankesh, tu mujhe ek hafta de. And I was like, what is she going to do in ek hafta? And I called up Namrata and said, Jaya has got mad. She's gotten stuck. She wants to do this check dam. We are going to get screwed. Nothing is going to happen. I have no face to show. Subodh Bora, AG, DG, you all go meet these guys now. Main nahi aane wala hu. And she gives me a call on the 5th day, Jaya Jain. And she tells me, Ankesh, we are doing the same project via the district avenue of water, via the 2 district people for 5,30,000. I didn't believe her at all. We had multiple meetings. at Vipra. By the way, Vipra is Vishal Jain's office, which is my second home. I have been to Vipra maybe 100 times in the last 365 days. The staff of Vipra knows me. I've had lunch, dinner, breakfast over there. I've even slept over there. And that's where we had all our meetings, most of our board meetings. So Vicky, thank you for Vipra. So after Jaya helping us with the 5.3 lakhs, we began the implementation. And I learned how to raise funds, because you have to raise funds all this. Even 5 lakhs is an amount for a club like us. So, of course, with the help of contacts via, you get to meet people. You learn how to sell a project. I remember Suketu telling me this thing. You have to sell your project. You have to sell yourself. So things like that happened, and I eventually we raised funds. I went and met some influential people, and we got money. And maybe they liked my face, or maybe they liked the project. I don't know. We decide later. So work went on and on. And let me inform you that this lockdown phase, I remember talking to Siddharth Sathe almost 3-4 times a day. Now, Siddharth Sathe is a guy I didn't know initially when the year began and when the club was formed. But I'll tell you one thing, he'll give his heart for this club. There are lakhs of rupees Siddharth Sathe has paid out of his own pocket because the bank was inaccessible, the roads were blocked, they were checked. There was Nakabandi on the roads, there was no access, there were no trains, there were no peons. Siddharth Sathe has swiped his card through his net banking for lakhs of rupees for the club. And trust me, no one would do that easily. I know nobody would do that easily. So Siddharth Sathe, take a bow wherever you are. So things went on and on. And, I have to certainly, I have to talk about my board members. It's so unfair if I don't talk about them. I've harassed them so much. I mean, they'll tell you their stories later on. Before I go to the board members, some special club members. Kavit Sethi, wherever you are, I do this to you. This man smiling over there in the blue turban, he has donated to every single project I have asked for. If I've asked for Republic Day, if I've asked for Check Dam, I've asked for poor children, Kavit Sethi was the first guy to give me a call and RTGS money to me at the cookies. So there's no one like Kavit Sethi in that manner. I have to thank Dhwani. Dhwani is someone who will work for the club at 4 a.m. She's our graphic designer. She's our counselor. She's our board member. She's our PR. She's a friend in need. She will do anything for the club. She has worked on every possible flag, logo, banner, poster, which we are having for Coastline. Every single thing we have is made by Dhwani. Mind you. Nishant Mehta. Nishant, I can't see you. Okay, Nishant, I hope the recording reaches you, but I can't see you, my friend. So I remember when we had, hi Nishant. So I remember when we had something called TRF. So I was very worried. What does this TRF mean? I was like, hey Baba. And I didn't know who to put for TRF director. So I have a very good friend in the club who I know will do anything for fun. I don't know he'll work for me so much, but that's Eklavya Rishi. This guy will take a bullet for me. He's that friend of mine. So I told Eklavya, kuch bhi karke TRF mein lena hai. So TRF mein, we had a contribution of Nishant Mehta for $1,000. Can you believe it? We have one member giving $1,000. We were at his house for a fireside. It took Nishant 2 minutes. He took out his checkbook, wrote a check for 71,000, I think it was 71 INR, and he gave Gaurav and me in our hands. And that was the start. And I remember it was such a good start. And uske baad, the contributions have come in, but no one like Nishant. So Nishant, thumbs up to you. I want to thank Aneri for the fantastic meeting we had in our year recently on Zoom. Aneri, I wish and hope if I get a chance to become admin ever in the future, or if the president likes me in the future, I can help one more meeting in the real venue. And we can have actual attendance where we can fill up the audience. So Aneri, this is something which I owe you. I can't see Aneri. Oh, I can see with Ayush. So this is something I wanted to say. Now, it will be unfair if I don't speak a few words on all my directors. So starting in a random order. Karan Gandhi, where are you? So all I can say is for him is extremely sincere, hardworking. He's elder than me, but the respect he's given me was unreal. He has given me a call for every single decision. He promised me one thing in the club when the year began. Ankesh, you will get quality over quantity. The years gone by, people were telling me, are you sure you've taken Karan as a membership director? Will he be able to perform? Will he have the good rapport? They all were wrong. There's no one like Karan. We got in Priyanka Sathe, a gem, Priyanka Sathe. Really, someone who we should have got on the first year. Aneri, Siddhant, Kalpesh, Riya, Aditya, Neeti, Namrata Gulati, Riya Nen. This is something which I don't think any membership director can do. I think Karan has set the bar so high. I don't think anyone will be able to fill up the members like Karan. And I think everyone who is gotten is such a valuable member now. And I remember when the DG came for the installation for the OCV, he told me that excellent job for the new members you have gotten. And we had almost we inducted I think 5 members on the day of the OCV. Now I have to talk about Siddharth Sathe. Let me be honest, I didn't know who my treasurer will be a month before my first board meeting. I didn't know Siddharth so well. I think it was Gaurav who told me that Siddharth is good in finance, take him. And I'll tell you one thing, Siddharth Sathe has been the best decision of my year and my memory of being a president so far. There's no one who's helped me and taken care of my sanity like Siddharth Sathe. Like I mentioned, spending for the club, he will always tell me, Ankesh, don't do this, do that. This is a sensible option. This will look better. CC this mail to me, type this mail to me. He was always guiding me. And during the lockdown, I think Siddharth Sathe and I have spoken to each other more than we spoke to our own wives. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, Sid. And we've been in so many WhatsApp groups, so many conference calls that I think Nimisha is a little upset with me. I'll have to make it up to her next time. Siddharth, get Nimisha onto the screen if you can, if possible. Yeah. So all I can say is at the end of 18 months, I have made a friend in Siddharth Sathe. I have made a friend for life, a true brother, and one of my best mates in RCMC. Thank you so much for being there, Sid. Now, a few words to Benny on Jaya Jain. Jaya, don't get angry and shout at me. I know you hate compliments, but I'm going to go ahead anyways. She is the most selfless person I have met in my life. A true worker who never wants credit. How much ever I tell her, Jaya, you did this, she doesn't want to be praised. Usko bilkul sunna nahi hai. 25 lakhs ka check dam project, she's made it 5.5 lakhs. If today the Palghar check dam has happened, if the district grant of our club has happened, it's because of Jaya Jain only. Nobody else. I give all my credit to Jaya Jain, and everyone who's been there knows this. It was Jaya who actually motivated me when the lockdown happened for the COVID project. And I'll tell you one thing, we got an Achal Gupta. We got an Achal Gupta, her money from Salset Club. Achal Gupta helped us raise another additional 2.53 lakhs in addition to her 1.2 lakhs. Our club members donated, and all this led to the actual fundraising of 8,68,500. Now I cannot go ahead without talking about Almitra. Now Almitra, I don't think anyone can get a director like Almitra, and Almitra is someone every president, everyone who's going to be president will have to take Almitra and their board. I have one word for her. She's a soldier. You give Almitra a job, she will beg, borrow, steal. We had the mental health seminar at 4 in the evening. At 11 o'clock in the morning, we didn't have a banner and poster. I don't know what she did. I don't know how she did it. But at 4 o'clock when I got to Rotary Service Center, there were banners and posters stuck around. She will do anything from the mental health seminar to the Vagoshi medical project to the Burns project Restore. She has done everything. She was very keen to do the osteoporosis project with Pranav. But again, the lockdown took the better of us. And she made the mental health seminar from a regular meeting into a district event. And Almitra, thank you so much for being there. You were really there for me. Thank you. Now the next person might cry a tear, but I don't care. So that's Jalpa. So now I don't know what to say about her. Someone who I've grown to admire every single day. I adore you, Jalpa. You have a heart of gold. She has a beautiful daughter called Saisha, who again I love a lot. She calls me up in August 2019 for a meeting in Jan and Feb. And I'm like, what is wrong with this girl? Do you know, she was the first person, one of the first, I told her on the club, Jalpa, I can't plan a meeting in February. Divya is due for delivery in February. And she had no idea Divya was pregnant and she was so happy. And I remember when Harshu was born, my son, Prayal Dhanki and Jalpa were the first to come to the hospital to see him. I remember that, Jabi. And she's a person who's taken the club like her own child. She has planned every single meeting in advance, from the number of chairs to the table to how it should look. What is the gift? What is the decoration? What about the screen? What about the projector? Does the guy have a MacBook or an Android PC? What about the cable? She has done every single thing. And I tell you one thing, she was really, really there for me. And I have to admit near the entire club, Jalpa, I love you. Thanks for being there. Gaurav, don't go too far. So I said I have two brothers in the club, elder brothers. Gaurav and Vicky. Now Gaurav I have known since I'm 5 years old. Gaurav was 7 that time. We've sung songs together. We've taken pictures with Amrish Puri. We played cricket together in childhood in Rotary. And, he's my only known mate in RCMC before the club began. So I have called up this guy at every single point of the day in 24 hours. Maybe not in the sleeping hours, but I've called him up for advice. I've gone for ice cream 2011-30 and had ice cream with Priyanka before my assembly, before my installation. He has actually taught me Rotary. If today I'm president, I have done Rotary because of God. And I've really, I don't know how Priyanka still likes me, but I've really, taken away a lot of time and I've spoken to him and, and even Priyanka has helped me so much. And it's really been great. If I am possibly 2019-20 Arjun, then Gaurav is Krishna. Namrata, where are you? Okay. So I've known Namrata as a patient. I've known Namrata as a friend. But I never thought she'll become my best friend. So I blocked Namrata as my secretary when Gaurav became president. You can imagine my planning. So I didn't know what a board consists of. I just know that Gaurav has a secretary. So I have to have a secretary. So I blocked Namrata back then. I think I was at Gaurav's Yoka DTA and I blocked Namrata then. And trust me, along with Jaya, she's really seen me flip my lid. She's really seen me lose my cool before the OCV, pre-OCV. I think few of Gaurav and all will know this. So she's the mother of 3. I know that very well. She's a very good architect, interior designer. She's very busy, a very good daughter-in-law. She has never shied away from any work. I've spoken to her 4-5 times a day, maybe daily. And despite her personal issues at home, despite her elders, despite her kids' school timings, she has done everything. I have virtually sat on her head and pulled her hair out during the district grant, during the pre-OCV, OCV, and we've really done a lot of work together. And along with Gaurav, they both are really my core strength in my decision making, planning, implementation. And I've taken her to every part of the city, even outside the city. I've taken her to Palghar 4-5 times. And Jaya knows about this. She's been there for our journey. And I couldn't have asked for a more efficient, hardworking club secretary, Namrata. Thank you so much for being there. Abhay, this one's fun. Don't go away, guys. So, where's Abhay in the red t-shirt? Abhay, abhi to dekh. So, Abhay, I can call you Mr. Zoom for the last 3 months. You've really been there for us. And everyone in the club, in the board has always asked me about my equation with Abhay, on how much we love each other, how similar our thoughts are. Do Abhay and I hate each other? Do we pull each other's hair out? And how annoying it is. And I have to say, they all are right. I'll tell you one thing, guys. I've had differences with Abhay Bhatia. I've had arguments, discussions. I fought with him. I've called back and apologized. He'll tell you that later on. I've had a mixed bag with him. But I'll tell you something. He's a true Rotarian. I remember when I was forming my board, and I'd already chosen people like my secretary and a few directors. And I remember I was told about the VP post, vice president. This story only Abhay and I know. Nobody knows, but now all of you will know it. So I didn't know about how the situation goes with the elections of the vice president and everything, because I think they had not even got the vice president for Anjal's year, who's Vishal Jain. And I remember giving Abhay a call because I remember him comparing Gaurav's installation. I remember him knowing his protocols. I knew that he knew his Rotary. He was very well read. I saw the leader in him. I knew he's a future leader. I gave him a call and I told him to vice president here. And then we came to about the election process and everything. And of course, he's the vice president and he had to be a future leader. But this is something which I saw before anyone. I'm not bragging, but this is true. And I remember the question, I gave him a call, Abhay, tu vice president banega? And you know what he replied to me? There was a 2-second pause. He's like, Sun, acha, to main kab president banunga? And I realized why he was thinking of a 2-second pause, because it seems that we didn't know this. Monica was pregnant with Arjun that time. So, being the man, being the guy, being the good father he is, he was calculating how old Arjun would be when he would become the president. So, he's a true friend, a great leader in the future, friend for life, and a true Rotarian. Thank you, Abhay. Vicky. So, Vicky is someone who I have really learned a lot from. I have always told everyone Vicky has a heart of gold. He'll do anything from coastline. He's the first guy. He'll remove his debit card, credit card, and swipe it anywhere for coastline. He's the first guy who will say, drinks are on me, parties on me. He'll do anything for Rotary. He'll host a party. He'll host dinner for friends. He'll be rigid for the club. He will never back off from a promise. He's the best leader our club is getting now on 1st July. He is so good with his management skills. And I'm so proud to be his immediate past president and help him take the club to soaring heights. Vicky has been so gracious. He's given us his office for use, his boardroom meetings. Vicky was out of town. I have used his boardroom meeting for the district grant. He's helped us with the chartered accountant, giving us Hitesh, a brilliant chartered accountant. I want to thank Hitesh on behalf of Vicky. Also the Pune, Tushar Parvet, and it's really been very helpful. And I don't think we could have done it without your team, Vishal. Thank you, Vicky. Yeah, so I've already told you about Dhwani. So Dhwani is, again, I would say the Michelangelo, the Picasso of RCMC. She'll work for RCMC at 4 a.m. She'll give her 1000%. She's an absolute sweetheart. There's no one as sweet as Dhwani. I have to say, Dhwani, I've already praised you enough, but I'll say one line. Tell your parents I admire them for your upbringing they've given you. You're amazing. Where's Ashu? Acha, Biren Parekh is here, so I don't care if Ashka is there or not. Where's Ashka? Okay, Ashka is there. Okay, that's my cute little Ashu. So I would call Ashka the princess of RCMC. She is genuinely the most happening girl in the club. I really feel bad for her in the lockdown. I'm sure she can't go out partying now, but till the lockdown happened, she was the most happening. I really thought about how in the lockdown happened. How is Ashka managing with the plans? Anyways, jokes apart. So Ashka was someone who took up the post. She was the only rep to give me a call. That Ankesh, I'll do fundraising. I remember that, and I was really happy that someone. You forgot Ashka. I remember. So you had chosen this post because you had to be in the board with me. And to be honest, I was a tad bit worried because Ashka was a little, too happening, and I thought, how will she manage? But she has given us such memorable functions. The Vagoshi Pool Fellowship at Villa Almitra, the Diwali party at Sahil Manmai's building, the Christmas party at Aditya Mehta's terrace, the charter night at Jalwa. I don't think we've had so much fun, Ashu. Thank you so much for planning everything. You've really been like the main person for me. And whenever we thought of fun, we thought of Ashka. And it's been I think if you don't have fellowships, you can't have fun. And I've learned over the course of the year of being a president, if you want to retain members, if you want to get new members, if you want to really enjoy your Rotary year with service, you have to have fellowships. So thank you, Ashka. Thank you so much for everything. Before I get called off from here, I want to just acknowledge a few co-presidents. Bunty is here. Balvinder, how are you? Love you, buddy. Good to see you. I think Ritu and Sandeep are here. I saw Sandeep sometime back. Good to see you, Bunty. And I see Biren Parekh over there. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. I think I have spoken more than enough. I thought I'll speak lesser than this, but I had to make up for the video not being there. And thank you to everyone. Oh, I see Deep over there. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Jalpan, Amrita, stage is yours.
We're on standby for the video, but I think we should close the program with the video. What's your idea?
I think play the video. Play the video.
Now? Okay, I'll try.
Please.
Just tell me if you all see anything, guys. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Word.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, go ahead.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है जिंदगी गिरे हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी गिरने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी जो ही बदली ताल है आया एक ख्याल है बातें हमें जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे कि हम इसका प्यार जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार ये जिंदगी यही है और यही जो तक सितारे ही पागल है मैं तरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं सूरज की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी की मेरे सांसों में बातों में रोशनी की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी की मेरे सांसों में बातों में रोशनी नए सपने जो बन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहूँ जिंदगी नए रास्ते जो चुन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहूँ जिंदगी पल में चलती हो झूम के चलती हो वो है जिंदगी.
Thank you, Gaurav. Gaurav, I forgot to say a couple of people के बारे में. Can I talk? Hi guys, Gaurav. I want to mention about 3 more directors who I've had on a list, but I wanted to speak about them. If I can go ahead now. So I want to thank Sahil Khanwala and Axis Electricals for the fundraising done by Sahil, and also about the contribution of rupees 50,000 towards the Palghar check dam. Thank you, Sahil, and thank you, Axis Electricals. And Vedant, where are you, Vedant? Okay, Vedant's the most fun guy I know. He has a big heart for the club, and huge thanks, Vedant, for everything. And recently, the Home Gardening Fellowship. Thank you, Vedant. Thank you, Varshita. I love you guys. Okay, Eklavya, I won't praise. I've already said it'll take a bullet for me. And I have to say one more thing. Eklavya is a brother from another mother. With that, I have to just say one small incident. After I was at the DISCON. The DISCON was on 8th of February. And Divya gave me a call regarding her labor pains. And I met the DG at DISCON during the lunch buffet. And I told the DG that, sir, I have to leave. I have to go back home. Divya is in labor. He's like, yeah, go ahead. And next day, my son was born on the 9th of February. And I remember after he was born, I was still doing the work for the OCV on the 11th of February. On the 12th of February, we had Malad Cancer Detection Camp, which I was the only person to go to, unfortunately, the medical project. And I remember the DG giving me a call, Harjeet Singh Talwar giving me a call in the morning of the OCV. I think I must be the only president whose DG has given him a call. And he tells me, you know what, Ankesh, OCV karna hai ki nahi? Ki baad mein karna hai. And I was so tempted. That I'll be at home with Divya and I'll be with the Divya and the baby in the hospital. And I'll tell him, no, sir, OCV nahi karna hai. But I really wanted to get it done. And if I had postponed the OCV to the month of March, we would have had an OCV on Zoom. So I'm very glad we finished our OCV, and we were lucky to have DG, AG, the attendance of everybody, and members being inducted, and everyone in their jackets and girls in their formal dresses. And it was so nice. And just wanted to thank the in-house speakers. I just already mentioned Aneri. I want to mention Deep. And I want to thank myself for being a constant speaker when there was no one to speak. And there's so much more I wanted to do. And I think I'm actually done now. And I spoke more than I wrote. So I will keep quiet now. And the mic is back to everybody else who wants the mic. And I start to Namrata and Jalpa.
Unmuting everyone so that people can clap. Okay, take a bow.
Take a bow.
Nice shirt. Awesome work, Ankesh.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ankesh. Hi, everyone. Ankesh, thank you for that wonderful, joy, like memory that you just presented before us. The entire year in 2 minutes. It was a beautiful, beautiful memory. Thank you. I'd like to say hello to DG West. DG, nice to see you again. Harjeet Singh ji and Rajesh Agarwal. Hello. Hi, Raju uncle. How are you? Hi, Malti auntie. Okay, Ankesh. We are going to say a few words for you, because obviously we can't end the night without, just telling you what spectacular you've been so far. The past 1 year, I've had the privilege to witness a historical rise. Okay. As a leader, you've often been faced with a lot of adversity, and you've emerged victorious because you've been able to take really tough decisions in a very